are now here at Robinson Kalasyaw para mag-asikaso kami ni Daddy ng aming renewal of license. Ito ating makasama today. Si Kayla ay nasa school, so magsusunod na lang si Kayla. Say hi, Dad.
Hi.
Finish our renewal. We are done. We are done. That was...
Hello guys. What? Okay.
Look at me, I'm funny.
Ano yan?
Yay! We did it!
Ano pa lang? Hi. Hi.
Hi!
Kaya niya na.
Done with our business, so on to playing. On to the arcade for Matmat. And for Daddy and Mommy and Tito. What do you want to play? Where do you want to play? Anong gusto mo laruin? Go! Mati, press! Press! Ready? Dali! Shoot mo! Shoot! 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 Shoot mo dali! Shoot! 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 Yeah! More! Versus Matman. Okay, go! Matmat, ready? Give me the token. Only one. Okay, ready? Go! Go! Bought some shoes. Shopping. Shopping. Lahat yan kay Jimber, no? Lahat yan kay Jimber. Okay. Dad buying shoes. Lunch na. Pangilan pa tayo, Daddy? Second fast food. Mang Inasal. Here we go. Can I see again? So, ito yung aming kakainin. Ay, dapat pala pinag-guess the bill na. Wow! Picture tayo later. Okay, time to eat. Hold two hands daw, two hands. We are done with our lunch, guys. Talaga namang antok ang beauty dahil busog na busog. Natingin kami ngayon ng aficionado. Gusto mo, babe? Mayaw.